Hi friends! Miss Davila here. So we have been working on learning about construction and the workers who work there. Now we're looking at construction worker tools. That is the title of our book here. Construction worker tools. This book is by Laura Hamilton Waxman. The author is the person who writes the words. So this is our front cover. Here is the spine of our book. And here's our back cover. So let us jump into this book. Construction workers build. Construction workers use tools to build. They build homes and buildings. They build roads and bridges. Look at them, they have this long beam. Must be very heavy because they have two people. Have you seen a construction worker? Workers wear special gear to stay safe. They wear hard hats, they wear gloves and boots. So this is their special gear. So here's their hard hats. They can be different colors. They can wear gloves. And they have to wear special boots. Many workers also wear a tool belt. It holds small tools. Here's this belt here. It holds all of these tools in it. Do you know someone who has a tool belt? My dad has a tool belt. He uses one every day at his job. A hammer fits in a tool belt. See, right there. It pounds nails. A tape measure measures things. This is the tape measure right here. What might a worker need to measure? What do you think? What might a worker need to measure? Workers use a saw to cut wood. Other saws cut stone and metal. What do you think this one is cutting? Is it wood, stone, or metal? That's right, it is wood. Workers can make holes with a drill. This tool can turn screws too. So not only can she make a hole with it, she can also put screws into it as well. This that she's holding is a drill. Construction workers also use big machines. A bulldozer pushes dirt. A digger scoops dirt from the ground. So this is a big bulldozer. We've seen some of these. Oh, I'm sorry, this one is a digger. It scoops up the dirt. All that dirt. This big old claws. A dump truck carries things that workers need. It holds sand, gravel, and dirt. So this is the dump truck right here. Why might workers need sand, gravel, or dirt? What do you think, friends? I think they may need it to level it so they can be able to move or to place at homes that may need it. We have dirt outside or we need sand when we go other places. Sometimes gravel, those little tiny little rocks is what gravel is. Some tools break apart old roads or buildings. Then workers can build something new. This is what this construction worker is doing. He's using this tool to break up the road and make something new. And here is our glossary. So here's a hard hat that we have learned. We've seen a saw, a hammer, and a digger. Construction, the work of building something. Machines, tools with moving parts. Screws, small metal pieces that hold things together. Tape measure, a tool for finding out how long something is. And that is the end. I hope that you've enjoyed this book today. Today, I would like for you to answer this question for me. Why might workers need sand, gravel, or dirt? You tell me. Do you think they use it when they go home? Do you think they need it to build something? All right. I hope that you have a great and wonderful day. Bye, friends.